Rocket engines work by action and reaction and push rockets forward simply by expelling their exhaust in the opposite direction at high speed and can therefore work in the vacuum of space. Space rockets are usually enormous in size because the bigger the rocket is, the more thrust can be produced by its engine and can carry more weight into the orbit. Welcome back to this channel, guys. Today we give you the 10 tallest rockets ever launched in the history of space exploration, so here we go. Number 10 is Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle was a partially reusable low-Earth orbital spacecraft system that was operated from 1981 to 2011 by the U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 4 fully operational orbiters were initially built, and out of these, 2 were lost in mission accidents. The Space Shuttle was retired from service upon the conclusion of Atlantis' final flight on July 21, 2011. Number 9 is Atlas V. Atlas V is the 5th major version in the Atlas rocket family. It is an expendable launch system originally designed by Lockheed Martin and now operated by United Launch Alliance, a joint venture between Lockheed and Boeing. Number 8 is Ariane 4. The Ariane 4 was an expendable launch system designed by CNES while being manufactured by Ariane Group and marketed by Arianespace. Since its first flight on 15 June 1988 until the final flight, which was performed on 15 February 2003, it has attained 113 successful launches out of 116 launches to have been conducted. Number 7 is Delta IV. Delta IV is a group of 5 expendable launch systems in the Delta rocket family. Introduced in the early 2000s, it was primarily designed and developed to satisfy the needs of the U.S. military. It is built by Boeing, operated by United Launch Alliance for commercial launches, military missions, as well as NASA flights. Number 6 is the Angara A5. Angara A5 heavy-lift launch vehicle is the second rocket of the Angara family that was developed in the Russian-made Angara rocket family. Angara rockets are intended, along with Soyuz 2 variants, to replace several existing launch vehicles. Number 5 is Falcon Heavy. As of July 2018, Falcon Heavy is the world's most powerful operational rocket. Designed and manufactured by SpaceX, it is a partially reusable heavy-lift launch vehicle. SpaceX conducted Falcon Heavy's first test flight on February 6, 2018, and the rocket carried a Tesla Roadster belonging to SpaceX founder Elon Musk as a dummy payload. Number 4 is Delta IV Heavy. First launched in 2004, the Delta IV Heavy is an expendable heavy-lift launch vehicle, and it is the largest type of the Delta IV rocket family. It is the world's second highest capacity rocket in operation, with a payload capacity half of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket. It is manufactured by United Launch Alliance. Number 3 is Ares 1X. Ares 1X was the first stage prototype and design concept demonstrator in the Ares 1 program, a launch system for human spaceflight developed by the United States Space Agency, NASA. Ares 1X was successfully launched on October 28, 2009, and the project cost was $445 million. Number 2 is N1. The N1 was a Russian super heavy-lift launch vehicle intended to deliver payloads below low Earth orbit. The N1 was intended to enable crew travel to Earth's moon and beyond, with studies beginning as early as 1959. Its first stage remains the most powerful rocket stage ever built, but all of the 4 flown N1 Block A first stages failed because of lack of static test firing. Number 1 is Saturn V. So far, Saturn V stands at number 1 with rocket length over 110 meters, the biggest rocket ever built. The Saturn V was an American human-rated expendable rocket used by NASA between 1967 and 1973. The 3-stage liquid-fueled super heavy-lift launch vehicle was developed to support the Apollo program for human exploration of the moon and was later used to launch Skylab, the first American space station. So we've come to the end of our video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our new videos. Thank you so much for viewing in. Bye-bye.